Hello there. Welcome back. So now in this module we are going to set our Internet Explorer to be always open in private browsing mode. So at this point we already familiar with how to open a new private window or a private browsing in Internet Explorer by visiting this tools, clicking on safety, go to in private browsing or press Ctrl Shift P from a keyboard. Well, when you click this, it's private window mode. Congratulations. Actually, this is already Okay, fine. So now we are going to make this open with like private browsing mode Internet Explorer. So what do we do? First of all, let's minimize this browser, and this is pretty same like Google Chrome. Okay, right click on the Internet Explorer shortcuts, go to property. This is your property and this is the target. Okay, so target, go to at the very last, see, put a single space, but only single minus, okay, only single dash. And in Chrome mode you put there two dashes, but in Internet Explorer there's only one dashes. Okay, so and right here private, it's private, private. Okay, and you done. Just click apply, go to OK, and if you click this link, wow, congratulations, it's open with in private mode, and it's always going to be open with the private mode. So this is how to always open a private browsing in Internet Explorer. And thank you so much for having me. Let's see you in the next module. Thank you.